Today's video is, where did all that go? Mice or squirrels? This is the quick disconnect option here. You can see there. Why do mice and squirrels eat on this? Well, part of the reason is because they use the soy-based coating on some of these wires, and some of the rodents, pests, pain in the sitters, they like to chew around on these things because of that. So, yeah, not fun. We're gonna have to dig into this harness to get to that one there, and to get to that one. There we go. After the repair, we've put new protective coating, new plug-in. Works good. We won this one, you stinking mice and squirrels and rats and whatever else.